how to see all of the devices logged into your Facebook account. Hello everyone, welcome to TechTales. To see all the devices logged into your Facebook account, open Facebook. Now on top right hand side of your screen, you can see hamburger icon. Click on that. Here right below it, you will be able to see this settings icon. Click on that. Here you can see Meta Account Center. So click on see more in Account Center. Now scroll down to account settings and click on password and security. Again scroll down to security checks and here you will be able to see this icon where you are logged in. So click on that. Now select the account that you want to check. Then you will be directed to this kind of page. Here you can see all of the devices logged into your Facebook account. And you can also see location of those devices. You can also see login history on each devices. To do this, simply click on the device. Here on the bottom of the screen, you can see all of the recent logins. If you see any suspicious logins and you want to log out of them, simply go back and click on select devices to log out. From here, select all the devices that you want to log out of your Facebook account and then click on logout located at the bottom of your screen. Again, click on logout. By doing this, you will be able to see all of the devices logged into your Facebook account and you can even log out of them. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.